Hello guys, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are enjoying a good weekend. I hope you guys are feeling good. It's your boy Good Life, or you can call me David B. I am back again with a banger for you guys. This is a new month. This is a new sorry guys, happy new month. And this is a new week. Guys, we need to chase the bag. We are already in the other half of the year and December is coming. You need to enjoy yourself during December. So it's time to chase the bag. So right now, guys, NFP was last week Thursday. There was a bank holiday on Friday. We had NF because of that bank holiday. They have to shift NFP to last week Thursday. And NFP was a banger for us because we were on US 30 and we had a big buy on US 30. We killed NFP, guys. If you are a swing trader, once you are flowing with the move, guys, you will always have the news will always favor you. It's as simple as that. The news will always favor you. So, guys, I'm back again with good trades for this week. I'm back again with good trades for this week, and I'm going to be breaking down in details for you guys. So now, first of all, I'm going to be explaining Ger30. I'm going to be analyzing Ger30 with you guys. So we first of all scale down to the monthly time frame. I want to show you guys what I saw on Ger30 and why I want to trade Ger30. So we first of all scale down to the monthly time frame. Let me currently remove all these drawings so that you know that, guys, I know how to do this thing. So now we first of all scale down to the monthly time frame, and you can see that on the monthly time frame Ger30 is bullish, very bullish, which is a very good idea. Ger30 is bullish, and we can see after identifying the trend. First of all, the first step that I do, I come to the monthly time frame and I identify the overall direction, which we have already seen right now. That price is bullish. Price is bullish on Ger30. That price is moving to the upside. That is for the monthly time frame. Now I will scale down to the weekly time frame to be able to identify key levels. I'll scale down to the weekly time frame to identify key levels. Now, first of all, I can see where price is currently at, and I can also see this level which price broke out from to create a new high. Price broke above this previous level to create this new high, and now price is retesting on this level. So now I have been able to identify that price is retesting at this level. Then we can also let's go to the monthly time frame. I also observe, I can also see this level which price rejected with this candle. Let's break this down a little bit. Let me zoom in, guys. First of all, I've identified 3 levels where price is currently at, and this level on the monthly time frame. Let me bring this down. This is the monthly time frame. So I love to keep my support and resistance on the candle close. I love to keep my support and resistance on the candle close. Yep. So now we scale down to the weekly time frame, and we adjust a little bit. We adjust. I can see it here, and I can see this level here. So now that is it for the weekly time frame. I use the weekly time frame to place my zones. And first, guys, I observed something on Ger30. That's why I really want to share with you guys. I observed something on Ger30. Okay, bring it down because of this level. I observed something on Ger30. That's why I really want to share this trade with you guys. I saw that price came and retested this level, bounced off this level. Price bounced off this level. That's this level you are seeing here. Price bounced off this level you are looking at right now, which is telling you that this level, this zone here, is a key level zone. But there is a problem. I also realized that price is failing to move to the upside. Price is failing to move to the upside. If you look at this retracement, let's go to the 4 hours time frame. If we look at this push, which I anticipated, price broke out of this temporary downtrend. Yes, price broke out of this temporary downtrend, creating what? A higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low. But price, if you can look closely, price refused to break above these previous highs. Price refused to break above these previous highs, creating what they call a lower high, and price is getting ready to go for a lower low. So that is what I've observed on Ger30. I was on a buy on Ger30 last week, and I saw that price didn't want to push above anymore. Rather, price hit me at a break at a loss, but all thanks to good risk to reward management, I didn't lose much. So that is it. So I can currently see, yeah, let's apply our counter trend line. Let's apply our counter trend line. Okay, we take this level so that we get more than one touch. Yeah, we apply our counter trend line, and we can see that price had already broken our counter trend line from here. You can see that price had already broken our counter trend line from here. So we have this touch, we have this touch of the trend line, we have this touch, we have this touch, and we had price break below here. So now on Ger30, I am waiting for price to break below this level to confirm that we are going for a sell. So once we can see, first of all, we have had price break our counter trend line, and once we can see price break close with a candle below here, there you have it. We'll be going on a sell on Ger30, and that sell will be looking like this. That sell will be looking like this. Maybe the close is around there. We keep our stop loss above, then we will take a 1:2 trade. We take a 1:2 trade. So this is how the entry will be on Ger30, guys. This is how the entry will be on Ger30. So guys, I am on a sell on Ger30, guys. I'm on a sell on Ger30. Okay, let me keep the counter trend line. Remember, we used 2 confluence for our entry. We have already had the break of the counter trend line, which is this trend line. We already had a break of it. So now we are waiting for break of structure. We have price create a higher high, higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, but price is failing to create another higher high, but rather price is creating a lower high, and price is ready to push for a lower low. So now I'm waiting for price to give us a full break of structure, break a candle close below this structure, and then there you have it. We are in on this trade. So on Ger30, I am on a sell on Ger30. I'm on a sell on Ger30 because I can see that price has rejected and price has refused to continue to the upside. So I am on a sell on Ger30. So the next trade I have for you guys is gold. I have gold for you guys. That's the next trade I have for you guys. If you can remember, guys, I posted a video last week on gold, how I did an analysis, and I told you guys where gold is going to. The only thing we are looking for is entries. We are looking for entries on how to buy gold, guys, because gold is going for a buy. We can see here clearly that gold created, if you go to the line chart, you can see that gold created what they call a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, and gold is creating a higher low to go back for a higher high. So the only thing we are looking for is entries, guys. The only thing we are looking for is entries. So now we scale down to the daily time frame. Let me take it back. We scale down to the daily time frame, and I noticed that gold at this level is stalling. Gold is refusing to go down. Gold is refusing to go down. So if you scale down to the 4 hours, you see that gold has broken the counter trend line and also changed the structure of the trade. Now you can also see that gold created what they call a lower low, came back in a lower high, created a lower low, came back in a lower high, created a lower low, lower high, created a lower low, and price broke out to create what they call a higher high. And now price at this level is creating a higher low from here to push back in a higher high. So guys, I am 70% on a buy on gold, guys. Remember, guys, we use 2 confluence for our entry. We use 2 confluence for our entry. I would have entered around here, but no, I didn't want to accumulate this much losses, this much drawdown. You can see this is a very, very massive drawdown. I didn't want to accumulate that, so I waited for gold. I waited for a break and retest. Gold broke above, and now gold is doing a retest to push back to the upside. Now in this break and retest, we'll be waiting for price to break our counter trend line and also give us a structure. Now I can see this structure here. So now gold will have to break our counter trend line and also break above this structure. Then we will know that yes, gold is ready for a buy. So yep, I am on a buy on gold. I am on a buy on gold, and I am on a sell on Ger30. Guys, the trick here is if you are a fan of US30, Nasdaq, S&P 500, and Ger30 with gold, the trick here is that how do you trade them? Now, there's what they call correlations. When a pair is buying, another pair is selling. That is it on gold and US30. If you want to buy US30, sell gold. And if you want to sell gold, buy US30. That's just the simple way to trade it. I've been observing this for a long time, and I've noticed this. There was a time I took gold trade and US30 trade at the same time, bye, and it was as if my profit, one was increasing and one was reducing. So I now had to close the trades, even though I had to close it in small profit. I had to close the trades, and then I observed for a very long time that once gold starts buying, US30 starts selling, and once US30 starts selling, gold starts buying. So that is it on gold, guys. We are on a buy on gold, guys. I'm on a buy on gold, and we're just waiting for gold to fulfill all odds by breaking my counter trend line and also breaking level structure, because we already know that gold has broken this temporary retracement. Gold has broken the trend line and also broken above structure. So now we are waiting for gold. If you go to the daily time frame, you clearly see it. Let me zoom in. If you go to the daily time frame, you clearly see it around this area that gold has broken above the structure, changing the structure from, instead of a lower low around there, when gold created a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, created a lower high again, a lower low, but rather instead of gold creating a lower high to come for a lower low, gold said no, and the buyers said no, that yes, it's time to buy. So they pushed it up for a higher high, and now gold is creating a higher low to push back up for a higher high. So I am bullish on gold. The only thing we are waiting for is for gold to break our counter trend line and also break our level structure for us to know that yes, gold is ready for a buy. But as of right now, I will still wait on my hands and wait for gold to break the level, my counter trend line and my level. That's because I use the counter trend line and structure break for entry. I use the two because two heads are better than one. So I use the two confluence to get a good trade, and it has kept me out of some trades that would have taken me into loss. So now this is Ger30, and guys, you can clearly see I've explained it to you guys that I noticed that Ger30 if you go to the 4 hours time frame, I noticed that Ger30 is refusing to create new highs around here. Ger30 is refusing to create new highs around here. So a break below this level, then I am in Ger30 for a sell. I am on Ger30 for a sell. So I am on a sell on Ger30. I'm just here with two pairs, Ger30 and gold. I'm on a sell on Ger30 and I'm on a buy on gold, guys. So it's your boy Good Life. I hope you guys are enjoying my channel and enjoying the content that I give. If you like it, please give this content a good thumbs up, and don't fail to watch my videos, guys. Don't fail to watch my videos. If you feel that I'm doing you guys good, sending out good trades, sending out good signals, do well to give this video a thumbs up, and as it will motivate me to come back with more analysis. And it will motivate me to come back with more analysis. So guys, before I go, let me show you guys something on S&P 500. Guys, if you clearly remember, I have always been giving you guys the updates on the trades I took on S&P 500, and you can see clearly that this was the trade I took since March. I took this trade since March. I was holding this trade since March, and this particular trade, I posted the signal on my YouTube channel. If you follow me well, you will remember clearly that I posted that time. It wasn't around this area. Price was at this level. Before this trade, price was at this level, and I showed you guys I showed you guys clearly what price was going to do. Yeah, I showed you guys clearly what price was going to do, and I gave out this signal. So guys, do well to subscribe to my channel for more signals like this.